6:25 Mountain, 8:25 Eastern, mark your weather forecast. We got a system that will bring severe thunderstorms possible in southern Ontario. We'll talk about that. So we got severe thunderstorms on the state side. We got tornado watches on the state side. Then we got rainfall warnings in southern Ontario, London, Ontario. Then we got freezing rain as you head further east. Let's take off the warnings for a sec because they're not showing up. As you can see, it's a very widespread severe outbreak that's happening in the States today. High risk for the States, low risk for southern Ontario. We're talking about London, Windsor. That is in between the severe risk because we got different dynamics. We got the heat and humidity in the States, then you got the cold air still in the north that will collide and possibly create some convection tonight in some areas in southern Ontario. So here's all the watches and warnings for southern Ontario, and you can see stateside has tornado watches with these severe thunderstorms. Now we go from west to east. 12 degrees tomorrow, mix of sun and cloud. 15 on Friday, Saturday, mix of sun and cloud. 17. Beautiful conditions for BC on the weekend and for the rest of the week. Calgary, -4 right now. Snow tonight, 1 to 2 centimeters, -2. But then the weekend will rebound. Sunday, 15 degrees in Calgary. Nice conditions. Beautiful conditions for the weekend in southern Alberta. Now we go to Yellowknife. Yellowknife, 1 second. Oh, we say to our friends in the north. Say hi to our friends in the north, sorry. Yeah, so look at that, -6 tomorrow, +1 on Friday. So temperatures are not that cold anymore. -1 right now and 0 tomorrow with some flurries in the evening hours and also overnight, -8 in Regina. Winnipeg, +1. Tomorrow, +4. Friday, with some flurries in the morning, 60%, 40% in the afternoon, +2. Thunder Bay will be +4 tomorrow, +6 on Friday, and +2 on Saturday with some flurries and some windy conditions. 80% in the morning, 40% in the afternoon. London, risk of some strong thunderstorms because you're in the middle of the States. We'll have some strong thunderstorms and then it's crossing to Canada. Not a guarantee there's rotation, but a small guarantee because of the severe limits in the state side. And as it crosses the Canadian side of the border, it will weaken, but not fast enough. It could be severe. Look at the lightning on state side. It is off the charts and heading in, some of them could be heading into Canada, right? So don't be surprised if you see any lightning in London, Toronto as well, with risk of some strong thunderstorms now in Toronto this evening. That just came in the risk factor, and because of the temperatures going up to 19 degrees, it's mixed of summer and winter air just getting in there because, you know, spring is that transition. And 10 degrees on Friday with sunshine. Don't be surprised if all across southern Ontario see lightning tonight. And because of the temperatures are climbing. 19 degrees tomorrow with a southwesterly wind. And in the evening, we'll switch to westerly wind and the temperatures will go back to 0. 10 degrees on Friday. Look at that tomorrow. Just temperatures climbing to close to 20-degree mark in Ottawa, in some parts of southern Ontario. 15 in Montreal tomorrow. Sun will be coming out. Risk of some showers at 7 p.m. in the evening tomorrow in Montreal. And 5 degrees on Friday, 6 degrees on Saturday. Halifax 0. Risk of some heavy snow with rain and lots of rain. 10 to 20 millimeters of rain. 13 on Friday. St. John's, Newfoundland, +1 tomorrow. +2. Well, sorry, Friday, +2 with 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. -1. Windy conditions for several days. Risk of freezing on Monday. Just storm system after storm system starting Friday. Friday, rain, and then we go to Saturday, snow. In Charlottetown, PI, heavy snow tomorrow afternoon, and then turning to freezing rain, 5 to 10 millimeters of freezing rain.